Morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Let me show you guys just a minute. You see outside there, it's early morning, and they tried to wash yesterday night dishes over there. Wow. Anyway guys, on today's videos are very special, and I will host my African mom. On today's vlog, I want to ask her several questions. At the same time, I surprise her. So thank you so much for clicking my video. So I want to wash my hands here, and to have my breakfast there as we go, guys. As you know, hygiene are very important in our life. So we have hand wash detergent over here, and this water. So let me wash my hand as we proceed. I put like that way. I do like this. Washing my hand there, and I want to wipe with by using the serviettes. Oh, hello baby. Oh guys, so it's quite early morning over here, and I need to have something on table, and today my intro starts within here as we go home, guys. Wow, keep watching my videos till the end. Wow. So on today's vlog, let me know what do you think about on today's vlog. Flow with the vibe till the end, all the way, positive vibe. Oh. This tea here. I don't. Oh. Wow. It's a thermos flask here. Wow. This is how a kitchen looks like. You have the gas cylinder here, cooker. Oh, I'm telling you guys, it's all morning over here, as you can see, and I'm outside. So let me show you guys. We called finger millet. This one here for making brown porridge. You can see. Wow, that's how we dried them in the sun. Anyway guys, let me have my breakfast, and I'll take you outside, probably all the way up to my friend's land, so I can check. When I came here, I must check the land. So that is my Wow. So this is the plate. Oh, inside you have chapati. I'm telling you. Free. That's chapati. That is my tea here. Actually, I'm looking for the stable place. And this chapati over here. So I have some, not some, I have my delicious breakfast. When I take this one, I could end the day. So guys, let me pray for my food as we eat. Thank you, Father, for the food that I put on the table. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Wow, guys, there's a chapati for you. If one day came to your place or to your country, you already know my staple food, either ugali or chapati, ugali and fish or chapati. I'm telling you. Whoa. Mhm. Guys, as you watch this video, please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm the guy who climbing the ladder slow. 6k subscriber. Soon I'll turn to 7k subscriber. And guys, I appreciate for the love and support that you show toward my family here and there. And the family, like where I came from, my family is the one that make me who I am today, and I work so hard to change the narrative day by day. And for me, I'm so grateful what I'm doing to my family. Imagine, guys, my young sister and brother went to school, have the bicycle, and on today's videos you will see the bicycle. And they went to school every day, no more chasing from school, coming back. Man, it's by God's grace, and for me, I say, God, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and good health, good life. So I'm just working so hard to make sure that my mom dream house are coming soon. But this year, to be honest, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to start. But this year, the year of 2025, I just go harder through my mom's dream house. I'm telling you, as I enjoy my breakfast here, I'm thinking next month, which material I'm going to supposed to have on the ground, step by step. And for me, I'm trying to motivate young youth like baby official outside there. If you have something else, just support your parent. I'm telling you guys, just support your parent. As young youth like me, I support my parent all the way. So it may be young youth outside there watching this vlog, please see what baby I'm doing at home here, especially in my village. Just do so. Why not you? Dreamer valley, dreamer come to reality. If Hello Baby can make it, why not you? And to be honest, your brother Hello Baby official is outside, your son Hello Baby official is outside, working so hard. You've been there watching my videos. So guys, let me finish eating this break over here, and I'll take you outside, serious, and see amazing view, how things goes. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Let me enjoy the food. So don't want maybe to eat, to vlog at the same time. I avoid things called table manners. So let me enjoy the food and then we meet outside. Let's enjoy the food. Anyway, guys, I finished taking my breakfast. So let me take you outside. As you see the day, how it's go. I'm telling you guys, it's quite morning over here. Wow, the beautiful, amazing view from East Africa, Kenya. Oh, my shoes here. Wow, let's go. Have the beautiful place. The dog is relaxing down here. We have the tank. Oh man, God is good all the time, and it's by God's grace it's an amazing day like this. And for me, I'm just outside here by God's grace. It's an amazing day like this, and I'm just grinding hard, going through my dream. Man, I'm thinking big. You know, I'm thinking big how my life will be. Let me say 3 years coming, how my life could be. So right now, I'm just working for my mama dream house. So over here we have the borehole. So this is the container over here. And down here, you have the borehole, man. I'm telling you, see right there? And it's have like clean water. Wow. Have the small roundery. I'm showing you, this is the real life in our village here. Small roundery, you can see right there. Nothing changed here. But for sure, dream change. I'm telling you, the person that you see today here is not the person that you see back here, the year of 2024. I'm telling you, or the year of 2023 is not the person that you see. It's by God's grace my life have been transformed step by step. Wow. So let's go this way. We have the water here for the cow. See another one here. Actually, guys, I'm taking you outside and I'm going on the other side to check my friend's land, you know. So I must take care of the properties, especially when coming in terms of the land. I'm telling you. Let's go. I left this place. Okay. Good. Well, guys, I'm heading outside. And imagine my baby's waiting me on the gate, taking me all the way. Let's go. I know, guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, this place is very, very common. It's very, very popular to the world. And yeah. Wow. Let's see. You see my baby's waiting me here. Wow, this is Uncle Mo. Hey. Wow, I'm heading down. Actually, I left my baby there. It's waiting me, and hello baby is going down. Wow. So to check my friend's land, and today I'm going to host one of our upcoming YouTuber, Felicitas. And guys, from the bottom of my heart, I need to support her in all means as I can. And guys, please, as you subscribe to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Felicitas. And she was a young upcoming YouTuber, and for me I must be very, very careful for those people who am I going to help, her or she or he, you know. So sometime maybe you can help everybody, and one day they will turn your name, they will spoil your name outside here. And to be honest, she was grinding so hard in terms of making like cooking videos, village lifestyle. So today I'm going to host her on this platform, and I would ask her several questions. Who inspired to start a YouTube channel? What kind of videos did you do? There's a time I asked her randomly, But on today's videos, I'll have a full time with her, asking her step by step. Like, let me say I'll have around 10 minutes hosting her on these videos. And because if you are on this platform when you are a newcomer, it's somehow like you shy here and there. But I'm trying to encourage her to be a good role model to her family. And the way, like, man, I'm telling you, like, for her, she had no idea how to film the videos here and there actually. And the good thing about me, nothing to be hide. I show her to, like, I will show her like how to hold the camera, how to make a good videos, good title, to be remaining positive vibe. And guys, I know for the haters, they will charge me wrong. And for me, no time with negativity. I'm telling you, no single day I can spend with negativity people. Me, from my bottom of my heart, I want to help her. And guys, by helping her is by introduced to this platform, you can know her and subscribe. If you subscribe today on this vlog, like when I get 10 people subscribe, please go and subscribe to her. Lord, to 1K subscriber. She was a young upcoming YouTuber. She need your help by watching the video, subscribing till the end. Anyway guys, story from another day. This is the tobacco. Wow. So we keep moving down as we go. Imagine this Uncle Mo's home. We have the corner shop. Look how people life transformed. I'm telling you. Look. This is a corner shop here. Wow. Let's go and see. And it's so late. I'm rushing at the same time going back home to have a video with my mama. For me, I love my family 100%. You've been there watching my videos. You see I was supporting my family, taking my brother and sister to school, buying them some clothes here and there. Like, I paid the rent for my brother. Imagine guys, through you, I support my family. Wow. Let's go. You have the church right there. Okay. Should I go this way or that way? So let me go this way as we coming back. It's good to say hi. The building of God. You have the toilet there, nice one. And when I was going around, I was thinking to build a toilet like this, but something came to my mind. You know what? Let me build this. I decide. But I supposed to build like that one there, hidden roof toilet, but it's somehow expensive. Wow. I'm saying hello to the house of God. Wow. This is an SDA, and guys, imagine all the way from there, from that shed to this a nice church here. It's by God's grace, and thank you so much for those people that keep supporting the church outside there. May God bless you. Imagine right now they have doors, have window, have good iron sheet of the zinc. I know for those people staying in like my Jamaican family, they call this iron sheet as zinc. But in our village here, especially in Kenya, we learned British language, so we know this one is iron sheet. But at the same time, I realize it's known as zinc. Why not? Look, nice church, man, nice church. It's by God's grace. Look. Wow. Look. They have a nice entrance door. Why not? Let's go. And the good thing about me, I'm passing here. I'm showing you everything. That's Jamaican uncle's land. You can tell from the far end. They have been fenced. No intruder going inside. But I'll step here to show you. You can see these are balance stones. That the sand, that the barbed wire have been well fenced. Like right now, no intruder going inside. Wow, it's a good thing. Ready to go. And as a Hello Baby official, I'm just passing inside here. Guys, go and check Jamaican uncle. He was a nice guy. He motivated us when he came from all the way from Georgia in the US to the village. That's the door right there. So I'm keep going. I'm keep rolling this camera to the end. Wait. Kikahe mamera kor. Boya. Kangi kyokor he iriko. Oyo nentanki.
Amna gani?
Twara kugetokera mbuye. Pakugetokera ipaipe utahangere. So achoke kengere he. Hey, umeinua sana. Maji yataingia humu. Oya kikimbia hivi. Mbuye ama. Eti ama heo hiroti hino hihano. Aya. I was greeting Hitiriba. Wow. Go and check Hitiriba, guys. I really appreciate. So I'm keep going down. Woo. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, it's all morning over here. Look how people change their family, their life. Imagine. From nothing to something. Look. It's by God's grace. I'm telling you. It's by God's grace, man. Look. Even me, I will be start soon. This bag of cement here. But I'm going on the other side. Try to imagine how crazy things they are. Imagine. Look, the view of our village, man. Super, super green. I can't complain. Green nature. Oh. I'm heading this way. I'll pass to our neighbor. Actually, it's our next neighbor to our land of my friend right there. Imagine, this is our small round in our village here. Let's go and see. But it's not. It was my it's not the first time to be here. I was been here several times, and the good thing that I came here is to check the land. Why not? Maybe you came and found maybe people demolished the door, demolished the windows, and I haven't realized, so I came to check every time when I came down here. Wow. Wow, so I want to pass here. Oh, it's coming from other side. But one of these days I'll have the gumboots because I was passing here and there. Wow, everything's good. And right here, hey, this is the toilet, and I love the way there is Islamic toilet. Yeah, hey, look. Hey. There's water. Hey. Maybe when the time reach they want to build the house here, the mason will never struggle. We have a nice toilet, and in fact, if you put your foot, you splash water, it's calm. You can't have the smell. Like it's not open. Wow, we have the pipe here. But the crazy thing about in my toilet, this pipe I will hide inside this on the partition of the perimeter. You can't see the pipe inside. I'm telling you, you see maybe on the rooftop outside. Boom. Wow, I think this is a washroom. Imagine, this is how house looks like, and in future it could be a store. I'm telling you, in future it could be a store. Here we have another borehole here. In fact, I love the concrete that came here and put some trees like posts to avoid maybe some incident like accident here and there, you know. So man, I'm telling you, look how people build in our village. Why not you? Why not Hello Baby? You can see. Wow. So let's go this way. Me, I'm so grateful. We have another borehole over here. Oh, this is the borehole. Oh, for now, no water, guys. Here. Maybe they're supposed to add maybe like some fits, but not now. Maybe let me say next year we add in summer season. For me, I'm encouraging you, if you want to construct a borehole or to dig a borehole, don't construct a borehole or dig a borehole in the winter season. Dig the borehole in summer season. You can tell. Look how the beautiful lands looks like. We are neighbors. Imagine the river there. That's Percy. There's our neighbor. Look within here. And the good thing about in our village, if you miss sugar, salt, you can jump to your neighbor, say, oh, help me this with matchbox. They can help you, free life. We have the stones here. Oh, you see, the gate have been fall down. I don't know who make it to be fall down. It's a tricky situation. Oh man. Oh, I realized. But I'll put it to the good way. Yeah, like that way. Anyway, guys, I'm keep going this way. So going back home, I want to have a sweet talk with my mama. I love my mama, guys. To be honest, I love my mama. So I'm keep going. Look how people build less than a year. Imagine, from grass to grace, from nothing to something. Why not you? Let's go. This is our local gate. You can tell when on this side. Let's go. Wow. Beautiful place, amazing view. I think at the back the motorbike is coming, maybe carrying the passenger. The real life in our village here. Whew. Let's go. There's a motorbike. Look, the car grazing here. Right there. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I'm going home to meet with my mom, and also I will host that young upcoming YouTuber, Love is So Free. I'll share the link today. You subscribe to her channel step by step. Share the link for that upcoming YouTubers. Take her to 100 subscribers step by step. The way you take me, guys, I'll show her some love by filming the videos, by helping her in all means as I can, guys. So stay tuned. On today's videos, I'm going to host two persons, mom and that upcoming ladies, and she's doing good. She's doing good in terms of videos, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, today is a special day, and that being said, I want to feature one of upcoming YouTuber if you're watching my videos. So today I will feature her on these videos. Can you guys subscribe? I know I share the link, but most of the people subscribe and maybe you don't know her. So I want to do this from my bottom of my heart as a good man. So I told her just make videos as you can and stay positive. So today, just over here.
Hello guys, my name is Felicitas. Welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Subscribe. Yes.
Alright guys, it's good, and today I feature her on my channel. Please go and subscribe to her channel. So right now you have how many subscribers?
31.
31.
Yes.
Alright. A day when I was he was featuring me on like I was saying hello guys to her channel. He was having she was having around I think almost 20 subscribers. Right now you're improving, alright?
Yes.
So which kind of a video that you want to make?
Cooking, traveling, and village life.
Yeah guys, everybody has the dreams of traveling all over the world, but you start from low going high. Okay. Today, do you have a video?
No.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do.
Didn't know. Didn't have today.
Yeah.
All right. This is what I'm calling home. Maybe in case you need a shout out, maybe one day. This is what I'm calling home. This is my grandma home. All right.
Yes.
So what can you tell to my people? What's the suggestion that you have? Maybe it keep pushing you to do a YouTube.
Yes.
Right, let's go this way. Okay, I'm asking Felicitas which kind of videos did you want to make, and who inspired you to start a YouTube? You know, YouTube is a game changer, right? Mm-hmm.
Oh, my sister.
Oh, your sister inspired you?
Yes.
All right, guys, big shout out to Robbie girl, and also you can make it as long as Hello Baby make it. Even I know your sisters make it. All right, you can make it. Dream are valid as long as you make good videos, uploading every day. You see the way I'm uploading my videos, you can go and watch my videos. You see all the way, and the way my family puts something on table. Also you can go harder through it, and then your family puts something on table. Okay, let's go this way. Guys, this Felicitas Chris, please guys support her to reach 1K subscriber. I really appreciate. I know for the haters they will charge me, but I don't care. No time with negativity, so I'm just over here to support her as I can, and you be a good person, all right?
Yes.
Yes, don't make negative videos. Say, okay, today our house caught fire and nothing happened. Don't be the guy like that, all right? I know for the first time you can be a shy camera, but if you're shooting videos whole month, you'll be maybe somebody else. Let's go this way. Maybe I'll show you something special. You see, these all things that I put here, maybe some stones. It's all about YouTube, all right? Remember when that's right, guys, I'm telling one of our village kids here to turn off the music. You see that one there, because I don't like copyright. Guys, sorry, that young girl, they have some small phone which have the music. Felicitas,
Yes.
all things that you see here are materials. It's true about YouTube. I'm telling you, to be honest, me, I'm not employed. It's through all my struggling, working here and there. So I want to build my mama dream house. Why not you? Also, you can build your mama house.
Yes.
Yes, you can be your own boss. You can be your own
Boss.
Yes, as long as you put good videos. Guys, please, if you know this face, go and subscribe to her. I really appreciate for the love and support. And which day did you prepare, like you plan to make with me a videos? At least 5 minutes, and then like today I feature on my videos, tomorrow. So maybe if you have a new subscriber, they can know you by Felicitas. And today, guys, I'll share the link on today's vlog. So stay tuned and show her some love. Just tell her I came from Hello Baby. And I see some comment. People came to you subscribing. I came from Hello Baby.
Yes, they come.
They come. How do you feel if you got a new member? You are lucky enough, I'm telling you, even to have a 1 subscriber per videos. When I was starting my YouTube channel, I appreciate. But nowadays I can get 10 people, 5, and even you. A day if you make a video, you get 5 subscribers. You say God thank you, right? Yes. And when you start your introduction, you know how to start the introduction, and you must say God thank you, you know, and God can open you the door to be open, and then you start flowing one day to be a superstar. Yes. All right. And I want to encourage you. Look, I want to encourage you. All right. Don't make like betting videos. Never.
Betting.
Yes. In the river. Don't make videos. You make cooking. Sometimes you make vlog. All right. Sometimes you show people how maybe the local market is here and there. You know.
Yes.
So if you make like betting videos in the river, one day you'll get demonetized. So I don't want like you struggle from scratch and then you qualify everything, and then your channel got demonetized, you know. So you make village life, cooking, and you can show people how you travel. Maybe from your home to my home, you came for a shout out. Those are traveling, like a village travel. Like you have a nature walk, you know. All right, guys, thank you so much. Go and check who
Felistas.
on YouTube channel.
Yes.
You has amazing
Content.
all right, guys, that is it. More videos coming from here, guys. My good people, today I'm going to ask my mama how she does feel when I'm working here and there to build her dream house. I want to know what she think about the future, the better life coming soon. So this is how my house looks like, and for me, I'm so grateful what I have. I want to say God thank you so much, because even today I want to have the vista here. For example, we have the seat of the table, maybe accommodation room, which maybe is a big issues, but in the future I will build extra house for my visitor when I arrived at my home, greeting me, and maybe when I have the visitor from abroad, they can have a free room and all stuff. You guys, you're supporting me a lot, and for me, I'm very happy. So one day when you came to Africa, one of you you find me building an extra room for my visitor. I'm promising you guys, because you're supporting me a lot. 100% you support me a lot. So anyway, on today's videos, I'm going to have a sweet talk with my mom, how she feel when I'm working so hard here and there to buying materials every day. And actually, we closed the chapter of buying hard ground stones. So right now we're working for the balance stones and blocks. Already I have the bricks, so I don't want maybe to put my foot on that. I have them on my neighbor, so the only thing that remaining is to burn them and transfer to my home. So I realized later, like better I bought blocks than making bricks, because it's too expensive. Imagine, pay the guy making bricks, I pay the labor money for arranging those bricks, I buy firewood, delivery money is for me. Imagine all expenses. But all in well, I forget. Me, I'm just focused ahead. So guys, this is how my house looks like. Every day maybe I shoot the videos here and there, and yeah, it's good to show you where I came from. And actually, that's my room, that's my brother's room. I'm telling you, and the house is like, it's well organized, but no light here, guys. Imagine you have a small television on the wall, a smart TV, like a small one. We have this is the table here, we have the mat, we have the chairs, we have another one here. Like, I do these things behalf of my family. Like yesterday, I was enjoying here lunch dinner with my family here and there. Imagine, guys, look. Yesterday we have been sitting here eating brown ugali, fish and kales. Although those brown ugali, I know most of the people called fufu. Me, I agree. You know, I agree with your comment, guys. So let me take you outside, and it's quite morning over here, as you can see outside. And last night we had the rain here and there. Oh, so I must close the house, guys, don't mind. Yesterday, like, let me say, last night we have a lot of rain here and there, but probably, let me see whether there is water on the on that tank. But I'll use, let me see here. Oh, you see, guys, no water. No water. simply because you are like I think in the whole season of December, January, we're on the season of like approaching summer season. So most of the time they were using this water here and there, cooking, washing clothes. Imagine. So we done all process, courtesy of you guys. Uh, they surprised my mom with that tank there. I can't take things for granted, and it's 5,000 liter. I'm telling you, we done all piping, like plumbing. You can see the water's running, going to the tank, and maybe this year when I build my mama house, we'll try to raise that tank from deep, and then because that house will be bigger somehow, and then maybe this water will harvest the small tank, maybe for maybe washing clothes here and there. Probably, let me take you outside. Guys, welcome outside. I have already taken my baby outside here and there, and although yesterday my bike got some problem, but I'll try to fix it at night time. Imagine, guys. So because it's taking me all over the village, and probably right now it's just okay. Wherever you are, Monkia, big shout out to you, bro. You made it possible all the way from America. You came to Africa. You surprised me with this motorbike, and I appreciate. Nowadays, I didn't struggle. It's taking me all the way. So let me go and check. Actually, I want to take my mama to the balance stone. No, to the stones. Before that, let me go this way. Oh, African chicken. I want to check our cow, so on these videos it's all about my African mom. And to be honest, guy, it's my family make me to wake up early in the morning like this, to struggle right, left, center, to make sure that my family put something on table. Imagine, like yesterday we eat the fish, and maybe if I could have maybe like $20, I can buy for like, let me say 5 fish. But because I have 10 USD, I make the budget here and there, buying fish, buying sardines, buying tomatoes. Actually, guys, go and watch my yesterday videos, and I'm telling you, if you have 10 USD, what can afford in Tanzania? Imagine that shopping that you see there. I know most of the country they may be somehow expensive, but in Africa here, if you have $100, you can make shopping for all 1 month. I'm telling you, trust me. You have been there watching, and how I was maybe making shopping here and there. I'm telling you, I'm making shopping, maybe the highest amount I make shopping for $150, and it can last the whole like 4 months. Imagine my mama maybe cooking here and there, and I say, God, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, by watching also my videos. Imagine nowadays my family put something on table. Imagine you've been there watching my videos, and when I was demolish this house and build my mama dream house, you've been there, guys, watching and advising me. And for me, no idea. I didn't maybe plan the month which this house could be started. Me, I'm just gather the material here and there, and to make sure that I have everything on the ground. When I start, I will make sure that my house, like my mama house, will never stop from the foundation up to top. Even it could be possible, even I could pay the plumber and doing everything before you put the balance, like to revelize, and then we raise the house. So I keep working on that to see. And for my good retainer subscriber, thank you so much for welcoming to my vlog. And if you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe. Love is for free. Subscribe. You know, if you subscribe and you share my videos to your family, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. I'm telling you guys, at the end of the month, maybe I buy this, which are missing, you know, small amount that I have at the end of the month, I could manage to buy maybe, like for now, I'm working for the balance stones, and maybe next month I'll work for the blocks, or maybe let me say February I'll work for the blocks, March I'll work for the balance stones, like that way, guys. Imagine. Me, I'm just grinding so hard to chase our dream, to chase my dream at the same time, to make sure that I change this family. Imagine. Although my dad left some gap, and I'm trying to fill those gap. Imagine, I'm telling you. So I want to make my mama to be proud a lot and a lot. So I'm going this way. Actually, I want to see the cow, and I missed to pass on that forest. Imagine to have that view. Like, let me pass and then I check the cow as we move on. Imagine, for me, I love to pass this place because it has a beautiful view. Like, you see. I'm enjoying, guys. So as you enjoy this vlog, this is where I came from. I was born and raised in Africa. I'm a Kenyan by citizenship. That been said earlier. So east to west, home is the best. So I'm trying to make my mama or my dad's home to be the best one. Maybe one day we visit to Africa, especially in Kenya. When you visit my village, I'm telling you, man, you could have a seat, you have a soft drink, we drink, and then you have a sweet talk with you guys, one of you, and then you say, okay, hello baby, I was watching you for the long time, but all in well, let me grind so hard. I'm outside to chase my dream. So this forest, I'm telling you, this forest, during hot season, it's very cold inside here, and maybe sometime, for me, I feel to pass inside here, and like it's not a scared forest, just like maybe it's wide open. It have the stones. You can sit here, like for example, I sit on these stones, and then why not? You have your phone, you have your cold drink like water or soda. You can have your phone inside here sitting, maybe looking things on internet. No one will chase you, I'm telling you. And the life in my countryside are very, very nice, I'm telling you. Enjoying the view. Look, man, it's green everywhere, and I was sitting on that stones, I'm telling you. Maybe I was planning my big target. I was planning maybe one of these days I could visit Mombasa, like 3 days, and then coming back. So I was dreaming that place, but probably we'll see how things goes. I'm telling you guys. So I'm passing here. I'm going to check our cows, and then the reason why I was going inside here is to have the fresh air. All right. So things take a U-turn. I'm supposed to go back home. So I'm going to Nyabohanse after coming from my home, having a sweet talk with my mama, and then I'm using this route going to Nyabohanse. Wow. Can't wait to share with you this story, guys, from here. Let's go. Wow, and it's so late, but I'll see how I'll manage to talk with my mom here and there. Sometime I'll ask my mama in Swahili, and then guys I'll explain a little bit, you know. And maybe nowadays for me, I'm so lucky enough. My mama know how, maybe good morning, how are you, things like that. I will not judge my mom. Wow. So let me check. Hey, you see that dog right there? That's the village dog. Wow. So the reason why being I supposed to check our cow, because maybe we tight and then the cow like take the rope away and then going to disturb or distract my neighbor's property. So that's the reason why I came to check our cow. That's how we tight our cow. Very nice, very complete. Say good morning. You good? And the good thing about our cow are not aggressive. If one day you come to Africa and you come to my village, you visit my village, and you find this cow, you milk them, you will try. Like yesterday, I was milking that cow right there, and my mama taught me how to milk, and it was my first time. I think there's a time I was practicing to milk, and then because of time here and there, I forget to milk. Imagine. Let's see this one. Oh, my mama, imagine this is a peg and this is a rope. So it's just okay, it's grazing here. The beautiful calf. Me, I'm telling you, nothing could be like nothing could hide. I will show you. We have the cow, we have this, we have that, we have this, we have blah blah blah. Oh, my mom have already milked this and tied them. You see, this is a peg and this is a rope. You tie them like, you see, like this way, and the cow is grazing here with a beautiful calf. Look, this is the mother of this calf. Look, they are grazing here. So anyway, let me go and see my mama, and I want to ask her how she feel when the house which is coming soon. I can't wait for me, guys. Even it can happen tomorrow to build my mama dream house like crazy, but I'm trying to put my mind set together and to see what is missing. Guys, I'm telling you, I know 100% most of the people who are watching my videos, you build your house, you know how expensive it is, you know how tough it is, you know how hectic it is, all kind of step, you know. But for me, I will never give up. I'm trying my own best, like every month, like to have, for example, if the time reaches when I want to buy a cement, I will buy maybe every month 5 bags. Yeah, I'm telling you. So these are our local gate. So let me see my mama. Oh, my mama, she have light the fire, so she wants to cook. I'm telling you guys, yesterday I was inside here preparing our meal, and then if you harvest the maize, you have some advantage. This is the like stuff remaining from the maize cob, I think, and then it's used as a source of fire. You see right here. Oh, this is our small kitchen. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my mama. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so she want to wash yesterday night dishes and all stuff. Imagine. The reason why you don't have my dog making noise, I've already taken them outside very early in the morning. Say hello. That's Bruno. They're relaxing there. We have the small rounder here. Imagine a small rounder. This is my clothes. Wow. We have the beautiful bicycle for my sister. But right now she went to school. I think on tomorrow I'll take this bicycle outside so she can able to ride here and there. Imagine. Through you guys, my sister have a nice bicycle. Big shout out for the person who made it possible. May God bless you. And also big shout out to the person who made it possible to my brother to have a bicycle. May God bless you abundantly. And for the rest of my remaining subscriber, may God bless you. And also for my silent subscriber, also may God bless you. Without you guys, my sister, she couldn't have the bicycle. Without you, my mama, she couldn't have the tank. But probably this is how my mama house looks like. And we can't maybe like doing a house tour. This house is too small. Imagine. This is the sitting room. My mama, she have nice chairs. You can see the way she arranged the house. Right there, there's some collection of water container. And there's a time I bought to my sister some chart, like calendar. They're counting 1 up to 100 just over here, so she can count like symbol and letters. This number 39, and she can know how to write 39 in symbol in letter. You can see there 1 up to 100, and she can know how to count like counting 80 just over here. Wow. This is how my mama lives in her house. We have banana here. I'm telling you. Oh, nothing there. We have banana also here. Wow. So let me ask my mama whether she have ready. So I want to go outside with her. Mom, today I'm coming so. Kumagana her. Hey, my dog's growing big. Can you chat about Hichai? Chat. Hichai. Tutayan. Tutayan was doing go sora Devi antimacium. Sorry guys for the vernacular language. I'm telling my mama if we finish, let's go, because I had the call from David Jr. So he wanted to pay a visit to my home. And most of the time, I was working with David Jr. here and there, and also with my family, you know, to avoid maybe too much drama. I want to stay far away from drama. And on today's vlog, I'll host, for me guys, to be honest, 100%, I want to support that young upcoming YouTuber. And also, she can maybe work smart, and one day she could be like me and then support her family here and there. Mama, let's go. Yeah, I'm telling my mama, let's go, because she had no idea, she had no plan what's going on. Oh man, let me see. We have the birds here. I'm telling you, we have the birds here. Came to camp. Imagine even right now, it's summer season. Man, the birds is making noise here. Sing like it's not making noise. Every day, sing the melodious song. If you are listening keen, the birds can sing love song like lullaby. You heard, man. I'm telling you. Look. Churu. You heard? And I'm planning to cut these trees because they're not good maybe near the toilet, near the house. This blue gum. So let's go. What a beautiful day with my mama. Man, I'm telling you, if I finish building my mama dream house, you will see. I want to become a good traveler, one country after another. I'm telling you, the day is coming. The day is coming. You just underline on today's videos. One day, you will see Hello Baby book a flight to Mombasa like crazy. And I want to travel East Africa. Mom, have 10 with 2 chicks. Can I bet it? Can I hook it in though? So guys, we are heading this way, and actually this is my dad's home. This is my dad's parents' home. Imagine, we will stay close, like 50 meters apart. Okay, mama, 20 means let's go. So I'm going to the site where I put some materials. So I'm taking my mama there. On that day when I was buying materials, I was putting down like crazy, and then my mama, she went to the farm, imagine, on stuff. Nowadays, mama, you smile. Happier man. I like, no, happier man, like mad. Imagine, my mama, she was very, very happy and hardworking. Imagine. That's the reason why I keep putting more effort, you know, going harder. Like the way mama go hard at the farm here and there. Imagine that my mama, I could maybe somewhere sitting lazy here and there. Maybe, I'm telling you. But I opened my mind. Mama, unajisikiaje?
Nzuri.
Nilinunua yale mawe ile siku kumeenda shambani. Kanunua mawe. Ulikuja maybe labda ni tipa ya pili nataka kumwagwa nini na nini. So sasa hivi tumefunga chapter kununua ya mawe. Okay guys, I'm telling my mama, on that day when I came here, I think less than 2 days back behind, I bought these stones. And then my mama, she went to the farm. So she came maybe from the second trip. And then I told my mama, right now we close the chapter of buying the stones, like these bigger stones. I made these stones. You see how it's big? Even you can't uplift with one hand. So we finished the chapter of buying these stones. And then right now, we are on the process of buying blocks and balance stones. Mama, sasa hivi tuko kwa harakati ya kununua blocks na kokoto. Kokoto means balance stones. So I'm telling mama right now, we are in the process of buying balance stones and blocks. Mom, uko ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm telling mama, are you ready? Because I was working so hard, right, left, center, to buy these stones. Imagine, guys, I'm telling you, like this month I have a small amount of money. I keep pushing on buying stones. I'm telling you guys, I'm not employed. I'm telling you, I'm just hustling here and there, making videos every day. But one day, this video that I'm making here, it could pay me off. I'm telling you. Let's go, man. So guys, this all songs that you see here, this one trip goes to $60. I'm showing you apart from other trip, because this one you see, this trip $60, this trip $60, and I bought 6 trip, but at not the same time. Every month I had until I finish up. You know, in Swahili they said, kidogo kidogo jaza kibaba. Little fill maybe the gap, you know. If you have this, you feel. If you have this, you feel. Like that way. Imagine. So right now, mama, no issues, no pressure on the stones. So come along, mom. Kuja. So imagine. And the good thing about the guy who brought for me stones, they can balance big and small. Because there's some places you can build, they need to fill with this one, they need to fill with that one. I'm telling you, they need to fill this small, they need the bigger one. Like, he balanced me. Alright, mom, I think next time when I buy the balance stones, we'll put here. We'll put the balance stones here, and then we put 2 trips for the sand there, because yeah, there, I think so, there. And then you had the coke, it's early morning, so we put balance stones, sand, and then we put the blocks here. And these trees I'll cut, maybe I'll see whether our neighbor, when they didn't plant anything there, I'll cut them. And mama, I want to build you a nice house, mama. I'm telling you. Nakujengea nyumba nzuri. Kujengea nyumba nzuri. I'm not lying you, mom. Because you're working so hard and people are outside there to promote me by watching videos. Anyone can support to coach video every day. Ile yenye wanisupport coach video, mwisho wa mwezi napata ka kitu nanunua mawe, napata ka kitu nanunua mchanga hivyo. So I'm telling my mama, she was working so hard, and people, you had been there watching my videos every day, and then by watching my videos, I'm trying to, like, every month to buy some materials here and there, and that's how maybe I was talking to my mama Swahili at the same time. If you know Swahili, you already know. So we have already have the timber, and on that time when it reached, I'll split making the timber for the roofing. You have them, plenty of them. Maybe when it's missing, maybe a little bit. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. More videos coming, and guys, you from my side, please go and check Felicitas, subscribe to her channel. Today I will host her on the first time on my channel, and for me, I have free heart to support her because she was working so hard making village lifestyle, especially cooking videos, and I will share the link today. I want to support her step by step, the way I've been mentored by David Jr. Let me use an example to mentor only one person, and then I know, because I avoid maybe too much drama here and there. I'm telling you. And for the haters, they will charge me with no reason. Me, I know I don't have time for negativity. I'm telling you. So I want to take my bike going and then pick David Jr. You will see, guys. Stay tuned. Finally, guys, I left home. I'm going to Nyabuhansi. Morio, with my bike here. Wow. So guys, let's go. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Wow. Oh. Right here. Let's go. Right now it's a harvest season, and most of the people want to harvest. Wow, that's how I got to Nyabuhansi, guys. Imagine passing on this small place. Let's go. Oh, beautiful place. Wow, have the local shop here. Kids are going to school right now, maybe because of the school fees. Oh, see. Hey, hi guys. Oh, that's the kids, like that's the students greeting you. I was confused between kids and students, but all in well, you get me. Let's go. So I'm almost to reach Nyabuhanse, guys. I'm telling you, over here. Oh, this is Nyabuhanse for you. And actually, I'm heading to Congrats, Mom, right now. I want to pick David Jr. Wow. This is Nyabuhanse for you. Kasongo! Buyod! Let's go. Man, working so hard there. Let's go. This is Nyabuhanse market for you. I'm telling you, nothing could be high. People are buying meats right there. Oh, fish. I'm telling you, this is how Nyabuhanse looks like in the morning. People are outside putting something on the table. Guys, right now I'm heading to Congrats Farms place. I want to pick David Jr. from there. Now I'm showing you guys where I'm heading to. Oh. Wow, beautiful, amazing view. That is it. Let's go. I'm driving slowly because yesterday night, evening time. Whoa! That's our neighbor's dog. Yesterday evening time, I take this bike from the mechanic. So I changed the piston, I changed the rings here and there. Even me, I'm new. For the first time I know the piston and rings and maybe timing chain. I change all stuff because other stuff got some issues. So that's the reason why I drive slowly to control those stuff that I put yesterday. So let's go. And from here, guys, Tanzania is not far from here, just over there. You see over there where you can see black trees on the other side. We went to Tanzania. Whoa. You have the sharp corner here. I need to take a U-turn. Oh, let's go. Enjoy the trip to the end. You see how people have been building. I'm telling you, that's Mama Ann's home. Guys, today I'm lucky enough. I found the gate have been open, so I went like phew. So guys, finally I'm just over here, and the gate have been open, so it's quite morning over here. So that being said, welcome to Congrats Mom's home or Congrats Dad, whichever the case. Wow, amazing beautiful view. Let's go. That's my bed right there. So anyway, let's see how things go. Let me put aside. Let me park here. I park there. Before that, guys, the beautiful calf are grazing here, and it's early morning over here. You can see them. Oh, that's how we graze. Like we graze our calf here. They're chilling. These are napier grass. That's how we go. Anyway guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today's today. You can subscribe today, tomorrow. I appreciate. Oh yeah. The cow are grazing here. You can tell. Wow, you see? I think Congrats Dad give the cow napier grass very in the morning. This cow, you must be very, very careful. It's aggressive enough. Wow. There's some work going on there. You can see. So let's go. Wow, that's the timber. So maybe later they'll fix the tank after plastering and all stuff. And those top. You have the tank here. So anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Say hello. Well guys, so right here we have.
What's up guys, my name is David Jr. So on today's video we're doing it differently. You can tell here I'm having protective gears. This is the reflector, and this is the helmet, and this is my camera that I always use to create videos, and these are my boots. Yeah, true story. You too, you should have your boots.
I have at home.
Yeah, for protection.
So by tomorrow I will wear. You will see.
Because you already understand we're from the village, guys.
Yes.
So our village roads are so bad. Yeah, and I wear like this. Fully outside.
Like a soldier. I'm a soldier.
Yeah. So keep supporting Hello Baby. How is your channel so far?
It's doing good. Yes.
Yeah, I love the fact that you are very consistent on
Yes.
YouTube. That's the way to go. Imagine me too, I'm always. For the last 3 months, I've never missed pulling a video on YouTube, you know?
Yes.
The best is yet to come for me, guys.
See this one here. It's matched with the jacket.
Yeah. No?
Shikamoo baba. Mzuri.
Tunaenda huko juu. Utakuja huko saa ngapi?
Anakuja tu.
Nataka
niletee ng'ombe nyasi ya kesho. Then na take breakfast na kimbia hapo tu.
Let's Congrats Dad.
Yeah.
I'm working like my mom, I'm telling you.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
How do you see? This cape and this here.
You're doing good. But I have to tie my hair. because I want to wear that cape. Not cape, it's not a cape.
This is a helmet.
Yeah.
And strong one.
Protects your head. I think you should get viewers.
Yes,
okay?
I will get.
Guys, these are good memories. It reminds me of engineers.
So you have a dream to be an engineer?
No.
Oh, you are just here.
Yeah, that's
okay.
why you adjust.
A professional engineer from the village.
Dreams are valid, my guy. Okay. And this one, you tie it like this.
Yes.
Okay.
And here at the back, always we don't want to adjust.
No, at the back it's okay.
No, you adjust.
How?
Keep it Congo like that.
Hey.
Ivo.
Oh, zile boards.
Alright guys, so right now I'm in Nyabuhanse and I have $1. I want to see $1 which I can afford here, maybe in terms of fruits. Let's go. Maybe I'll end my video here in good way, and actually that's how Nyabuhanse looks like. You can see, and we have the public toilet right now. They migrate on the other side, so I want to see. I want to taste the fruits right now. Leova, una matunda. It's right here. Today is a market day. At the same time, have the machine there. Let's see. Let's see right now. I want to see the fruits. Uko wapi? Hapa ni pao kama ni pa wenyewe?
Weka vitu mtandaoni.
Bibi yako kuna matunda ya kula. Matikitiki amekata.
Hajakata bwana leo.
Haya, ana nanasi.
Papai.
Imekatwa.
Papai si iko pale.
Mimi nataka vitu imekatwa, nataka nikule matunda nikienda. So guys, today is a market day. You can see they are selling clothes. These are second-hand clothes, and it reminds me, guys. I'm telling you. Let me sit here. It reminds me. I bought some clothes for the couple. Up to now, these guys, I didn't find them, and those clothes my mama keep in the house. Biashara yako ni gani?
Biashara yangu.
Iko wapi? Hii.
Yeah.
Hey, is a serious, you are a serious man, serious business. So me, I'm going around. Nataka nione mwenye amekata paipai ni kule.
Ndio hapo.
Sasa yeye hajakata.
Utaongea naye uchukue kukatia.
Ai kia Mungu. Nataka nikule matunda.
Utaongea naye anakukatia unakula.
No. Utaongea naye. Haya. Sasa hizi nguo unauza shilingi ngapi?
Hizo nauza, ina depend na nguo, kila nguo bei yake.
Mfano hizi ni zako bado? Mfano kama hii.
Hiyo ananipea
250. Almost $3. Guys, to be honest, if I could have around $3, I could buy for my sister. But next time,
yes.
Nitakuchangia. Wewe tafuta mwenye amekata matunda.
Nenda pale.
Pale. Okay guys, he was selling clothes here. His wife right there have a small grocery. I nine day. Uza nguo.
Karibu boss. Nyanya. Sasa kwenye besheni au ndio kitu moja moja.
Hadi nyanya ni zako. Let's see. Hey, kumbuka hapo. Jamani, hata mbona ukuletaka vipoji? Mbona?
Hello, hi guys, welcome back to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. I'm here. I'm at the market, guys. If it's the first time watching, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm going by the name Wayne Mabere, guys. Today you can see here we are at the market. You see the way it is. Nyabuhanse village, guys. This is the way it looks like, guys. Yeah. Today I'm at the market at the village of Nyabohanse. Please guys, go and check me out to my YouTube channel. I'm Wayne Mabere. Thank you so much for hosting me. Hello baby, I really appreciate guys. Yeah. Kujia. Asante by the way, asante sana. Sikuleta nani vibeti.
Asante sana is a Swahili word, means thank you so much. Okay, you keep hustling.
Yeah.
Yes. Sister to Chef Matiko. Aya, we scramble. Scramble, ni ukweli. Yeah, ipo. Twende. Hey, so he can guide me to his wife's business. I want to eat food.
That's why I'm back.
You see, they're selling here some stuff. Sasa hana mrabi. Wana watu wengi huko.
Bado unaogopa. Wewe ndio
Tikitiki maji ndio ile imekatwa huko.
Alafu embe.
Sasa embe dodo. Atanipa ndizi. Atanipa ndizi hapo taulisinge baba. Umeleta kwa mke wako. We have papaya here, we have mango, we have tomatoes, Irish potatoes, banana. Alright guys, so on this side I bought mango. Maembe ni shingapi? 20.
Takufanya 15.
Sawa. Aya. Nan bina nkuguri ore. Hii. Biberi kumia. Nina aya kata mbili na tikitiki.
Tikiti ngapi?
Ma. Kainga biberi ni 20 Ano 30 hivyo. Sasa ndo akenga tora ukaratasi. Para matane sahani. Utamenya maganda. Tafadhali usirudio kukata. Nitakuachia 20. Oh guys. Let's see guys. If you have maybe less than $1, you can eat food here. Okay, ngerebu kongo. How katia hapo hai. Yeah. So they are chopping, and then after that, guys, sorry, there's one of the guy introduced the business right there. Ungangano means flour. Tumahirin. Yama kata hiyo. Wangu ambigo okay. Wangu ambigo kengeri nyama yonso. Waka kengu tige kile. Alright guys, today's a market today. Asante tena sana wateja wangu. Haya hivyo. Ndio matamu. Mama. Ni siku ambayo kuna soko. Acha Haya. Hii ni kazi rahisi tu mama.
Wanafanyia wengine hapa lakini
wanakata kupa hela. So I didn't get the right mango, so we have this one. Sorry guys for interruption. There's one of a guy introduce the business. Maybe I'll show how to introduce, and then I'll stay away. I'm going to eat this one. Guys, I was coming from right there, and today's a market day. You can see outside, and we have another small business here selling a French fry. You can see right there. Hey, this is French fry, and I'm going to hide inside here, guys, to eat over here because I don't mind the intention of the people outside there eating and then say, "Oh." Man, welcome for my fruits. And that's how I end my day, by eating fruit. This is a watermelon, I'm telling you. Mango. Over here, banana. Although today, guys, today, no cucumber, no pineapple. So, guys, let me enjoy the food as we go. Visirore, namaru. Tare namaru.
Hey, hanawa kengego. Hanawa kengego.
Kamaro chemba kengere nama pese hai. The phone call from a alright guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. Today I'm ending this video random at Nebuhanse here, so may God bless you. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.